Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. With the kitchen being the heart of most households, it's really important to have a space that speaks to who you are. And considering just how much time we spend in this one room, I don't want to feel like a visitor in my own home. And all the trending interior design and decorating that we see in today's age is truly beautiful. Chef's kiss. I'm a fan. But following them can lead you to have a space that looks sterile and boring. And I mean, we all love a good conventionally aesthetic house tour on YouTube, but there is still nothing better than when you go over someone's house and it just oozes their personality and you're just looking around and you're like, this makes sense. And after getting to visit some family in the country recently, I noticed that when I looked around, just how many of the items in that space were sparking old childhood memories, they were bringing up topics on our family's history, or they were just serving as some really good conversation starters that allowed us to get to know one another a bit better. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few crochet items that I think would be pretty cool to incorporate into your kitchen so that you can not only have a space that is beautiful, but is functional, and they can attest to who you are as an individual, your interests, and your hobbies. So let's go ahead and get into this list. Alright, so first up we have crocheted appliques that you can turn into fridge magnets. I think that this is a really fun idea and it can be a cute way of adding some subtle color into your kitchen. They are very easy to personalize and they make an awesome gift for someone who is into collecting fridge magnets. I think it would be really fun to make little crocheted letters that you can spell out stuff with. I remember going over my friends' houses as a kid and they had those magnetic letters on the fridge door and you just couldn't help but spell out a goofy phrase or spell out your name every single time you walk past the fridge. And with the amount of family photos most households have, I think making a little magnet photo case would be a nice way of showing off some sweet memories of or with your loved ones. Or if you're a K-pop girly or guy, you can stick your favorite keepsake photo of BTS in there while they finish up serving their country. You know, you got lots of options here. So then I have crocheted napkins. Now these would be nice, especially if you use a thinner cotton yarn. They're very beginner friendly because it's just a giant square and you can very easily do a bunch of different patterns or even monogram it. And it's good for the environment. And then in the same way you could make a napkin, you could also do a hand towel, a dish mat, a coaster, or a placemat. Next on my list are oven mitts and pot holders. I saw these two-toned mitts on Pinterest and I absolutely love them. I think it would be cool to just make a bunch in a whole lot of different color combinations. But then you could also make ones in the shape of different things or almost even do it like a tapestry. I think that would be really unique and I've never seen anything like that before. And then we have produce bags, not made with the intent of use for grocery shopping because they stretch out too easily. Unless you don't mind making linings for your bags, then go for it. But I think the net bags could be cute holders just to sit in your pantry for things like onions and or potatoes. Then next is a personal favorite of mine, and those are curtains. So the vibe crocheted curtains gives me is very grandma chic, and I mean this in the best way. I just feel like it gives a really homey feeling. And I personally love the curtains that are done short, so they don't actually cover anything. Just because if you have a kitchen window that gets really good light, well, number one, it doesn't block the light, which is great. But then also it could really create some interesting shadows, especially if you go for more of a lacy type pattern. I mean, you gotta love it. I feel like that would be so pretty. And then next there are the little rugs and mats that go under your sink. I mean, just about everybody has one. And you can make them into a lot of fun shapes, like a strawberry, a flower, or just do a nice basic kind of zigzag or striped pattern. And then last on my list, I have bar stool seating cushions or covers. Now this is only an option if you have some sort of breakfast nook or kitchen island, but if you do have one, then making a cushion cover out of some type of granny square or just a solid colored cover in a classy pattern could be a really beautiful detail. And what I love is that with all of these ideas, you can use colors or do patterns that tie into the color scheme of your house. Or if you're trying to take a more seasonal approach, then you can base it off of a specific holiday, a special occasion, or like a weather season. They also make really great practical gifts, especially if you're dealing with someone who seemingly has everything, so you never know what to get them, or if you're just dealing with someone who just really appreciates handmade things, or they're just like, like sentimental and stuff. Housewarmings, birthdays, Christmas, or even just as a little like I appreciate you random surprise. Like all of these could be some really nice gifts to receive, and none of them are super taxing to make. So you could do more than one and then make like a little gift set out of it. So do like a hand towel or two scrubbers, like a few pot holders, a heating pad, and then boom, there you go. You got yourself a gift set. But that is all that I have for you today. So I hope you like these ideas, and if I find any interesting tutorials or patterns, I'll try to link them in the description. No promises. I'm also thinking of making this a series, so please let me know if you think I should do more of this but with other rooms in your house. Or even if I should do this surrounding like themes of different special occasions. I think that could be kind of cool. Anywho, I gotta go. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you got some good ideas from it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And follow my crochet IG page. Yep, do that. And I will see you guys soon with another video. Bye!